Hello! Welcome to today's episode of Steelman and Steeler Jesus' Garage. And in today's episode, we're going to show you how easy it is to fix a Harley-Davidson exhaust. Right on!
Oh, there's the bike. Me and Steelman are about to fix. Yeah, a little dirty. You know, I keep my wheels nice and clean. A one-of-a-kind rat fink, a real rat fink. And we're gonna fix that pipe right there. Get out of there, John. Put it up here. Yeah, that's what we're fixing. I'll just plop down in there. Pretty sure Steelman can handle it. No job too small, no job too big. Alright, everybody. Have a great day. Don't forget, you got white walls on your ride. Better keep them clean. Keep them clean.
We start by grinding flat the exhaust pad on the pipe.
Yep, we're ready.
Then, we cut out the bracket to be welded onto the pipe.
Alright, this is, we're welding. Me. Steelman.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I got my glasses on so you know I look professional. Oh man, my hair's sticking up. This boy's getting old. Alright, so we're about to see how this is going to work. During my accident, you can see in there. There we go. During my accident, that broke. I didn't realize it until I lost a muffler off of that side and realized it was missing. So, a good friend and Pittsburgh's only superhero come to save the day. And we're going to see how it works out.
Okay. Yeah. Plug me in here. Okay, you saying I'm plugged in?
Yep.
I'm not buying it.
Look.
Where'd you plug in?
Right there.
Okay.
What the? You got power? I'm plugging in over here. I got another one.
Not working.
I got another one over here. How about now?
You know this one's working, right?
Yeah. This one I just had plugged in my battery.
Treat this shit. You see this? I asked you if you fucking plugged it in. Look at this fucking shit. You see that? I'm fucking here. Wondering what's going on here. You gotta fucking plug the damn thing in, Sean. What the fuck?
This is the reason it's not working.
Motherfuckers! Come on. No wonder Big Paulie got pissed off. It's shit like this. You fucking kids screwing around, not plugging the plugs in, giggling. They're fucking with me is what they're doing.
Alright.
He had one job, to stick the fucking plug in the thing. Oh, why isn't it working? Oh,
It's plugged in now.
oh, your welder. Oh, my fucking welder's working. You mother. What the fuck?
Alright. Here we go. Shade Tree Mechanics 101.
Hey, Tree, I don't suggest anybody does this. This is actually controversial.
I need to be on that side, I guess, huh?
This is actually very controversial here.
I should be on the other side.
I don't recommend this. I was never taught to do this. I'm pushing the envelope on what you really should do here. But here we go. Here we go.
Yeah, that's how we do it. That's how he does it. And it didn't stick. God damn it.
Alright.
Ah, fell.
Did not work.
It fell. Okay, it's alright.
Good.
Alright. All good.
Hold on, let me get my hood. My hood's not adjusted right.
I think. Right now, we are welding this piece of material on my exhaust that broke.
And Steelman does not want to do it off the bike.
Steelman's doing it on the bike because it's the way he wants to do it.
Because I want to get that the right location there. That's why I'm tacking this on. We're going to take this off, and then you see it's on now.
It's on.
Okay, here we go. Ready? I'm going to weld it some more.
All right. It's on. It's on.
Actually, I'm going to get. Well, this will be good.
Beautiful.
I'm not hitting any of your chrome, am I?
Nope. No chrome's being damaged in this filming of this movie. No chrome.
How are we doing with the gap there? You see the gap on the side, in the back?
Yeah, it's gapped, but
There's a little gap?
yeah, we'll fill that, right?
Okay.
Let's fill it.
All right. Yeah, but let me hit it again. Let me get a bigger rod.
Oh, dude,
You
that's
can
not.
always use a bigger rod,
Oh, you
right?
can always use a bigger rod. That's what they all say. Get a bigger rod. Look.
Get the biggest rod possible. Steelman's, you know. It's about that length. I mean, there's much more. I'm well known for my girth, actually.
Oh, you're going for girth and not length this time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here we go. Here we go. I'm going to hit this again.
You hit it again?
Yep, ready?
Yeah.
You know, Sean, you do know that you're not supposed to be looking at this light, right?
Exactly.
Okay, good.
You'll go blind.
Okay, here we go.
They say a lot of things
There we
get
go.
blind. Okay, go
About
for
the
it.
weld here.
Yep. Oh yeah. He's
Yeah.
oh.
There we go.
Oh.
All right, well,
All right, now, Mike. Okay.
I think that's it.
Think that's it. Excellent.
Now, you want to mark it.
You want to mark that hole? Hey, buddy, you want to mark that hole?
I'm going to mark the hole. You got the marker?
It's on the seat, but yes, I do. You gotta grab the marker. Got a new motorcycle coming next week. Just purchased that. Well, not purchased, but you know how it goes.
You can get this side, Sean. You can show them, you know, what we're doing here.
Oh yeah. See
Yep.
that?
See? And I'm going to mark it with a marker, like in the middle.
Right back at it. We don't take breaks here. It's nighttime.
You know what, Sean? It'd be nice to have like something to prop this up on, so I could.
So you could weld. Let me get something for you.
Okay.
Something perfect.
So I can weld on.
Got something right here. Something right here.
Is that a cardboard box? You gave me a fucking cardboard. You fucking moron. A cardboard box.
Well, I mean, it's a good cardboard box.
Yeah, but it's
sturdy.
gonna fucking catch on fire.
Well,
That's the whole damn place on fire, you fucking idiot.
Well, that's what we want. That's what we want to do.
Motherfucker. All right, get the fuck out of the way. Get the fuck out of the way. Stand back.
Cardboard box. I still think you should have used cardboard. Jerk.
Box, get me going.
Oh, fucking ass up.
I gotta get a better helmet. It's falling down on me. Alright, let me get up here.
Yep.
Look. What are you doing there? Oh, no.
Oh, wow.